Hello and thank you for visiting our vehicle advert. I'm James here at Luscombe MG in Leeds, and I'm going to be showing you around this 21 plate ZS Excite. So this vehicle comes from MG head office. It was a staff member's car, so it was actually, first owner was actually MG itself. It's in excellent condition. Obviously being MG owned, they really do care for their vehicles. Finished in the Battersea Blue, lovely colour, especially on sunny days. They also have these spoke alloys, again all in excellent condition. The vehicle's already been through our rigorous checks, so we do a full inspection carried out by our MG technicians, as well as a full history check. So you could not wish for a better example of a ZS Excite. Now the ZS makes for an excellent family vehicle, it's well known for it. Let me give you a look at the boot size here. So a great size boot, handy for luggage, prams, bikes. You've also got 60/40 folding chairs, so up the boot size should you wish, and a big storage point underneath there. So great for all your luggage, and also has the silver roof rails, so you can put storage box or bike rack on the vehicle. Let's take a look inside next. Just like the exterior, excellent condition, as we can see there. Good legroom for rear passengers. Particularly nice touch that I like is the 2 USB charging points available. Keep the kids' tablets charged whilst you're on the go. Front of the vehicle, again, excellent condition, as you can see there. In-car entertainment, you get this great colour touchscreen. This gives you DAB radio, sat-nav, which you can plug your phone in, so it's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so the sat-nav will run off your phone. You can use apps such as Waze for your latest traffic alerts, avoid collisions and traffic. Whilst on the move, you also have cruise control and speed limiter, so your longer journeys are made really easy. You've got your inbuilt controls there, so you can have voice command set up with your phone, again keeping your hands free and safe on the move. So this particular car also has manufacturer's warranty until April 2028, so really good warranty on these vehicles, complete peace of mind. And before leaving, as always here at Luscombe's, we'll service the vehicle for you, and we'll also provide 12 months MOT with no warranty. If you'd like any further information or to arrange a test drive, please contact myself, James Healy, and I shall happily help. Thank you.